Wargaming Terrain can come in all kinds of shapes, sizes, and materials, whether it's resin, plastic, or the new age 3D printing. Awesome tabletops start with cool terrain. Nothing brings wargames to life better than awesome terrain, but some of these pieces can get pretty big and pretty detailed. But I think I found the perfect 3D printer to help you make awesome tables. What's in the box, man? What's in the box? Well, this is Facility D20. We're always making something cool, so you know it's something cool. And it's a Longer LK5 Pro. I'm gonna get this thing out of here, put it together and get printing, and I'm gonna print something super cool for you guys and tell you what I think of this machine. Come on in, let's get at it. So Longer makes a lot of cool stuff, from FDM printers, resin printers, even laser engravers. They even got their own line of PLA and resins. Today we're going to be looking at the Longer LK5 Pro. This is an FDM printer that's got some really cool features like a big touchscreen display. It's got a glass bed, it's got a really good Bowden tube, and it's got a really large build plate. All things that I think will make it the ultimate terrain printer. I got this thing together now, and I got to say I've been really impressed so far with the fit and finish of this machine. If you guys are worried about buying an unassembled printer, don't be. This thing went together so easy, it was crazy. The next thing I got to do is go ahead and level the bed here, get some test prints going, and then after that we're going to print something really big just to see how big this build volume really is. Come on, let's get at it. If you guys are enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like button and appease the algorithm gods. I'm going to be honest with you guys, this is my first time manually leveling a bed. But Longer has a really nice leveling process built into their printer here, where you just got to use a piece of paper, follow a guide that's going to pop up here, and use these wheels to adjust the bed up and down on 5 different points. I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up for the very first time, and hopefully I can do this without any issues. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Got to say, I really like this big display here. I'm gonna bring you in and we're gonna start leveling this printer. Press the 5 buttons 1 through 5 to control the nozzle moving to the corners of the bed. Twist the hotbed nuts to level the bed. Let's go to level 1. Let's just move to 2, just see what the movements are. Homing failed. Well, that's not a good start. Let's reset the printer. Let's try move. Let's go home. There's XY home. Are you sure you want to make the XY axis back to the original position? Yes. You know what? My clip was a little bit loose in the back here to the stepper motor. It wasn't quite pushed all the way in. Let's try this again. Move, home, yes. Z is gone, there we go. Simple as that. Now let's go back to leveling position 1. Okay. So you want it to go up till there's a little bit of friction. Too much, so there's no friction here. And a little bit too much. I think that's good there. Okay, let's go to position 2. Well, that don't seem too bad. That was pretty painless, but I am going to run through this one more time, just to make sure. It comes with a little SD card. We're going to load this into the printer and fire up a test print. We also got a brand new roll of Overture filament, so we're going to get this loaded in here on the side spool. I like to clip this on an angle. And there we go, here it comes. Our test prints are done. I did a few of these. We had the boat here, and as you can see, it's just laying down beautiful lines. Those layer lines are nice. There's no ghosting, there's no bumps, there's no stringing. Same thing with our little whistle here. Just look at that, another excellent print. Beautiful. Then finally, our little calibration block here. The Y, the X, and the Z. Beautiful prints. Beautiful prints. But now that's done, let's see if this is actually the ultimate terrain printer. And like I've been saying, we're going to print something big and really test out this machine, and I cannot wait to get at it. So let's not fool around any longer and let's just get printing some terrain. All you need to do is download Ultimaker Kira and add the LK5 Pro profile from the drop-down list. Then I decided to go on the Thingiverse and find some really big ruins. I found this one, it was perfect. I'll link it in the description below. I threw it into Kira and started to slice this thing up and get it ready to print. As you can see, this was going to take up almost the full build plate, not quite, but I figured it was a good start for a big print. I did it at 0.2mm quality. It was going to take about 2 days and 13 hours. It cost about $10.50, and I did print this thing with supports. That was a beautiful print. You can join the facility by hitting the subscribe button. We're always making cool stuff here, whether it's sci-fi or fantasy dioramas, 3D printing or painting. I do my best to reach out to you guys and respond to every single comment, so go ahead, smash that subscribe button and come along for the ride. I already got some more terrain going here. As you can see, I really like this printer. There's a few things about it that I think makes an excellent terrain printer. The first one is the build volume. 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. You can really get some big prints going here with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, reaching temperatures of 250 degrees. You got lots of choices for filament. The glass bed is really nice. Prints pop off it really easy, and it's got a really strong, like, triangular frame. If you guys are in the market for a 3D printer at 350 bucks roughly, this thing's an excellent choice. I'm going to link all the information below in the description where you can go and check it out. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. I really want to say thank you to my Patreons. You guys rock. You're allowing me to bring this channel to new heights. If any of you out there are interested in my Patreon, I'll link it in the description below. Check it out. Also, I got some really cool videos on my channel like these here. Stick around and watch some more.